In what ratio two types of ghee should be mixed up, having cost prices of rupees 105 and rupees 145 in order to get the mean price of rupees 120? Now, this is a very simple type of question. The first cost price which is mentioned, it needs to be written in the left top corner. So we write down 105 here. The second cost price is to be written in the top right corner like this. And the mean price or the cost price of the mixture needs to be written in the center like this, 120. Now we have to do cross subtraction. This method is known as alligation. So 145 minus 120, that is 25, and 120 minus 105, that is 50. Now, this is the ratio in which we have to mix the two types of ghee. We can reduce this to 5 is to 3. So that will be our answer, option C.